Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 15th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think it's impulsive down, A01, I think it's an A. 3 waves up, whoops, not drawn very well. 3 waves up, ABC of B or ABC of 2, which I think it's a B, and most likely this is going to go down for a wave C, which I think is going to go down to one of these two Fibonacci extension levels, or if it really is a wave 3, it could possibly go all the way down to the 161.8. Either way, I definitely do not think it's important to know if we're looking at a wave C or a wave 3 at this stage in the pattern, because either scenario makes for a big downtrend. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly, I definitely still think this move down is a 1. I definitely still think this move up is a 2. I actually think the wave 2 is already over, and this is just, subdivisions of the beginning of this move, and that I believe that it's just going to keep on going down for a wave 3. Most likely a wave 3 of wave C based on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, we definitely didn't turn at a fib level, but it definitely looks like impulsive up, wave A, 3 waves down, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, ending diagonal, wave C. Nice 5 wave downtrend, 1, 3 waves up, ABC of 2. I think this is a wave 1. I think this is actually a subdivision wave 2, and I still think this is going to just keep on going down in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave C. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did have a very impulsive move up yesterday, but looking at the US dollar index, it was actually very, very clear entry and really was a very nice opportunity to go long. I actually still think this is an ABC correction. Probably the wave A is actually more likely right there, but either way, I still think it's a correction. I think this is impulsive up A. Even though this spike is a higher high, I think if you kind of forget about that, this is actually 3 waves down for a wave B. I think this is a nice uptrend for a wave C. We're not turning at a fib level, but I mean, price doesn't always turn right at a fib level. And we do have some news this afternoon we had to make it through, but I think that by the looks of it, this is very likely to be a correction. Hopefully today's news causes this to confirm that the correction is over. This is a 1, this is a 2, and we just keep on going down for a wave 3, just like what I was showing on the much longer time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like it's trying to end the trend. I can see a nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern up. Looks like it's trying to break structure. Hopefully we get through this news event, and if we do get through this news event without making a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I think there's a pretty good likelihood that this is actually over the coming days, probably into next week and maybe even the weeks to come, is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs. I am definitely looking for shorts, and I'm definitely looking for shorts at the end of every pullback. Like I said, we have to make it through to today's news event, but if this break of structure holds, I think that's the end of a correction, and I think we'll go down for a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and also don't forget to join my brand new website or check out my brand new website linked at the bottom of this video over here. So as always, thanks and happy trading.